of mind definitely required. And क्योंकि स्मार्ट वर्क करना है, एलिमिनेशन करना है, तो वहां पे तो स्मार्ट वर्क उसके बिना पॉसिबल है नहीं. और जो आपने बोला कि जो लास्ट मिनट प्रेशर है टू हैंडल इट, I would advise that sleep well the preceding night. When you get up, just go through some very basic things which you know well. That will boost your confidence. Like just open Lakshmikant and read fundamental rights, and you'll be like, "Oh yes, I've read. I remember. I remember. I remember." That I used this trick, and that gave me confidence. I talked to my mother, and because she is very close to me, she was very close to me in this preparation process, and she just told me one thing: if you give your best, nothing will stop you. Just go and crack it. So some kind of prep talk with your close friends or parents can be used. Ultimately, I said, just imagine you are the only person giving it and give your 100%.
Okay. Okay, Jagriti. There are also, as you just said, that candidates do lots of, because of peer pressure, there are lots of common mistakes candidates do. So can you just tell me that what are the common mistakes candidates do in the prelims paper on the day of the exam?
Sir, I think I'm the perfect person to answer it because in my first attempt, I couldn't clear prelims. So first would be not judging the paper properly. I would go and do 90 plus questions, no matter how the paper is. Such approach is, you must be cautious around such approach. So first mistake is not judging the paper. Second mistake is judging your each response at that time. Suppose you couldn't do 5 questions in a straight row. Then do not judge the 6th question. Start every question as a fresh opportunity. Don't evaluate yourself midway the paper. Just keep doing. Otherwise, when evaluation works, your focus is more on your mistakes that you would have committed or unable to attempt questions. So have a forward-looking approach. Each question has equal weightage.
Okay.
Then one common mistake is OMR sheet filling. Some students leave it for the end moment. And then there are mistakes in filling it up, and then all nervousness, and it all becomes, a big mistake. So fill your OMR I used to fill it page by page. So OMR filling, do not ignore CSAT. Some students give their first paper, then in the break they start evaluating, then they go and their performance in CSAT is not up to the mark. Do not ignore it. Remain in a good, healthy state of mind throughout the 2 papers that you have to give. So I think these mistakes are common amongst aspirants and which must be avoided.
I also have interviewed like toppers, and they said that there are in the options also, there are kind of similar options to puzzle the candidates. So can you just tell me that when to attempt prelims, how important is to read the paper and also to evaluate the options that are coming, so that you are thinking that this options is right, but at the end of the day that went wrong. Yeah, your suggestion.
Sir, reading the question paper is very, very important. One thing in prelims is that you have the answer in front of you. Just you have to be smart enough to recognize that this is the answer. Read the question very, very thoroughly, whether correct is asked or incorrect is asked. Even amongst the options, as you said, there are similar options. But if you read between the lines, difference is visible. I can't specifically recall any example, but there are very minute differences. Pay attention to keywords. Keyword has to be used in the correct context. And I would just repeat that every question is an opportunity. Read the paper thoroughly. That would be a huge blunder if one does not. And in multiple correct statements, elimination is a wonderful tool.
Right.
So use it. And I think if you and also apply common sense. Some options can be barely, taken up using common sense itself.
Okay, as Jagriti has to leave, my last question to Jagriti is that suggest some preparation, last minute preparation tips and tricks, and also regarding the current affairs, the candidates are saying in the toppers, like I interviewed, they're saying that they're in the general awareness part, in the GK part, the questions are quite difficult and quite uncommon. Like what are the trending topics are going on, because the prelims paper were already been set. So what topics should candidates learn, should candidates prepare to for the general awareness or GK paper?
Sir, last minute preparation tricks, the first part of the question. It would be to be mentally ready. You have read enough. If you feel like any topic is missing, today is what? Today is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th.
Right.
3 days, three more topics you can revise and do it. So still be hopeful and just prepare everything before night because last minute panic can have disastrous consequences. As far as current affairs is concerned, I would say just cover at least till a month before prelims. If it is on 10th of October, then till August, your current affairs should be prepared. The trending topics, they are usually, they will be covered somewhere or the other current affairs material. But unconventional topics,
Right.
Because nowadays we hear only, the topics are heard only in the examination. Some such topics also come. For them, just pay attention to cost benefit analysis. Now, basic current affairs, the things that keep trending, they are something that are to be prepared without a say. For other kind of topics, understand that running behind a complete source just for one question. So just leave such questions, I would say. So focus more on the macro aspects rather than just digging up into the micro ones. I would just say that every stage is checking the aspirant's confidence. Go with a clear mind and have faith in yourself. The prelims will be, I think it will be a cakewalk if you have read enough, you have practiced enough, and you're confident. If it is difficult for everybody. And if it is easy for everybody. So just remain calm, evaluate each question properly, read the options thoroughly, and I'm sure whoever is watching it and all other aspirants that you'll crack it. Thank you very much, India TV, for having me here. It was a great conversation.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you, Jagriti.
Thank you, Jagriti.
Thank you.